Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Phantom Wallet to NovaTrade Plus. In this walkthrough, we'll add the Phantom browser extension, head to the NovaTrade Plus website, and complete the initial wallet setup so the connection can take place smoothly. Start by opening your browser and going to the Chrome Web Store. Make sure you're on the official store page, which you can recognize by its familiar Chrome branding and secure address bar. In the search field at the top, type Phantom. You're looking for the Phantom Wallet extension for Chrome. Before installing, take a brief moment to verify you're choosing the authentic listing by checking the publisher name and overall ratings. This small check helps you avoid copycats and keeps your funds safe. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension in the pop-up. Your browser will download and install Phantom, and you may see a short setup message. If your Extensions button is visible near the address bar, it's useful to pin Phantom so it's easy to find later. Pinning isn't required, but it streamlines your workflow. With Phantom installed, navigate to the official NovaTrade Plus website. Type the address carefully into your browser to ensure you land on the correct page, and look for the Secure Connection indicator in the address bar. When the site loads, it will recognize that you have Phantom installed and guide you into the wallet setup or connection flow automatically. At this stage, you'll be prompted to create a wallet. Choose Create Wallet and follow the on-screen steps. You'll set a strong password for local access to the extension. Next, Phantom will generate a secret recovery phrase. This is the single most important safety element of your wallet. Write it down on paper and store it offline in a secure place. Do not share it with anyone, and never enter it into websites, messages, or forms outside the Phantom app. Losing this phrase means losing access to your wallet, and sharing it can allow others to take control of your funds. Continue through the prompts to finish wallet creation. Once done, Phantom will be ready, and NovaTrade Plus should detect it automatically. If you don't see an immediate confirmation, refresh the page, and, if needed, select Connect Wallet on the site and choose Phantom. You should now be connected and ready to proceed with your activities on NovaTrade Plus. That's it. You've installed Phantom, visited the NovaTrade Plus website, and completed the wallet creation flow so the connection is established securely.